Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television over here at Star Cars, and they just completed a brand new vehicle. Actually, it's the Chevy Blazer EV. This particular vehicle is actually a Pacific Police build package that's available from Chevy, and they've turned it out in a really nice clean look. Basically, it's going to be used as a administration vehicle, but it can also back up law enforcement should the need to be, because it's obviously going to be operating from a PD department here in the Pacific Northwest. So depending on who's driving it, they get the opportunity to utilize the emergency lighting system that is available in the vehicle, which has been supplied by Whelen Engineering. The console comes from the gang over at Havas, as does the computer mount as well, including the brand new area in the rear of the vehicle, which is a storage compartment, which is also supplied by Havas. So let's go have a look at the vehicle right now. Well, there you have it, a brand new build from the gang over here at Star Cars. It's a Chevy EV, and it's going into service here in the Pacific Northwest. A great shout out to all the gang at Star Cars for letting us come by and take the filming, and more importantly as well, I'd like to shout out to all of you who take the opportunity and the time to watch our videos. I'm Stuart, and as always, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.